Introducing the sleek and stylish 2023 Volkswagen T-Roc R-LINE PL with 110B horsepower and just 40595 kilometers on the clock. This white beauty comes packed with features for your comfort, convenience and safety. From air conditioning to collision avoidance braking to LED lights, this vehicle has it all. With a 1-litre engine and luxury trim interior, you'll ride in style and comfort. Plus, with a full multi-point health and safety check, manufacturer specification servicing and comprehensive warranty, you can trust this T-Roc to take you wherever you need to go. Don't miss out on this incredible deal. Call us or visit blackwatermotors.ie today for more information.